Namaskar everyone. How are you all? I hope you guys are fit and healthy at your place. So from today we are going to start our worksheet exercise. So open your worksheet, take your pencil eraser and write down with very good handwriting. Okay, make sure that all spelling are corrected. Okay? So page number 8, Chapter 7, Parts of Plants, Day 1 exercise, question number 1, fill in the blanks. So our first blank is the main part of the plant. Which is the main part of the plant? Options are root and stem. See, root is a main part of the plant because if there is no root, there is no stem, right? So take the option root and write down in a blank. Second one is blank is the underground part of the plant. एक ऐसा part जो underground है plant के. Which that one? That one is stem or root. So stem is above the ground, right? Not underground. So root is underground part. So write down root here. Third one is the blank suppose the plant above the ground. Options are root and shoot. So shoot is the above the ground, not it is in below the ground, right? So write down shoot here. Now see the question number 2, true or false. Our first one is रेडिश प्लांट हैज़ टैप रूट. रेडिश प्लांट के जो है वो टैप रूट है. Yes, this is true, right? So write down T here. Second one is the part below the ground is called shoot. Below the ground, underground is shoot. No, it's root, right? So this statement is false. So write down F here. And see the third one. Root takes water and minerals from soil. रूट्स जो है वो क्या करते हैं वाटर और मिनरल्स लेते हैं सॉइल से. यस दिस इज ट्रू. सो राइट डाउन टी हियर. Now see the question number 3. Label the parts of the following of the plant correctly. Use the word given in the box. There are words which are given in the box. You have to cut it and write down. You have to label the parts, okay, of the plants correctly. So first one is root. Where is root? So cut the root and this is root. So we have to write down root here. Second thing is stem. तो what is stem? This is stem जिसके ऊपर पूरा plant खड़ा है. तो write down stem here. Third one is flowers. Where you can see flower. This is flower, right? So write down flower here. Next word is fruit. So where you can see fruit over here. These are the fruits, right? So write down fruit here. Bud. Bud मतलब कली जहाँ से flower खिलने ही वाला होता है. तो it is bud. Bud is here, right? And last one is leaf. So we all know this is leaf. ये पत्ता है. So write down leaf here. Now turn the page number 9, day 2 exercise, fill in the blanks. So our first blank is the main part of the plant. एक ऐसा part जो plant का main part है. Options are root and stem. Of course it's root. So write down root here. Now see the second one. The flat surface of leaf is called blank. जो लीफ की फ्लैट सरफेस है फ्लैट राइट तो उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे वी कॉल्ड इट लीफ ब्लेड राइट सो राइट डाउन लीफ ब्लेड हियर. थर्ड वन इज ब्लैंक आर नोन एज द किचन ऑफ द प्लांट. जो किचन ऑफ द प्लांट है उसे हम क्या वो कौन सा पार्ट है लीव्स और फ्लावर्स. ऑफ कोर्स इज लीव्स बिकॉज लीव्स मेक फूड फॉर प्लांट राइट. सो लीव्स आर द किचन ऑफ द प्लांट. So write down leaves here. And fourth one is cancel. So cancel it and see the question number 2, true or false. We have to write down T for true and F for false, right? So first one is plant breathe through stomata. Plant breathe through stomata. Breathe करता है plant, right? किसके द्वारा? Stomata के द्वारा. Yes, this is true. So write down T here. Now see the second one. Flowers and fruits are grown on the stem. Flowers and fruits are grown on the stem. Stem के ऊपर flowers and fruits grown up होते हैं. तो yes, this is true, right? So write down T here. Third one is leaves gives out chlorophyll. No, leaves gives out oxygen, not chlorophyll, right? Chlorophyll तो उनके अंदर होता है. That is why leaves make food in the presence of air, water and light, right? So write down F here because leaves gives out oxygen. Now see the question number 3. Give 2 examples of each. You have to write down 2 examples of each of the following. First one is plant with taproot. So it's bean and mustard, right? Second one is root we eat. जो root हम खाते हैं, it's radish and carrot, beetroot, बहुत सारे जो भी you can you can keep it in your mind and you can write down here. Okay. Third one is plant with fibrous root, right? So it's wheat and onion. Fourth one is stem we eat. Stem जो हम खाते हैं, it's sugarcane and potato. Fifth one is leaf we eat. पत्ते जो हम खाते हैं, it's spinach and cabbage, right? Sixth one is seed we eat. Seed जो हम खाते हैं, it's corn and rice. So these are the examples of each of the following which you have to write down by your own. आपको खुद से सोच के लिखना है, okay? नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो यहाँ से देख के लिखिए. Now see the question number 4. Think and answer. First one is Neha ate the seed of the fruit by mistake. नेहा ने क्या करा? फ्रूट खा लिया और फ्रूट में जो सीड आता है वो भी खा लिया बाय मिस्टेक. तो हर ब्रदर सेड इट विल ग्रो इनटू ट्री इनसाइड हर. और उसका भाई बोल रहा है कि उसके स्टमक में जो वो सीड गया है वो ग्रो होगा, ट्री बनेगा पेट के अंदर. डू यू थिंक दिस इज ट्रू? गिव द रीज़न. आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये होगा पेट में कहीं प्लांट ग्रो होते हैं? नो, नहीं होते. तो वी हैव टू गिव रीज़न हियर. So answer is no. The seed would grow into a plant when it gets the right amount of the air, water and light. Got it? Seed तभी grown होता है, तभी उगता है जब उसे right amount of air, अच्छे से air मिले, water मिले and light मिले, right? So these things are absent in our stomach. हमारे stomach में ये सारी चीज़ें एब्सेंट होती है. ना तो वहाँ लाइट होती है, ना तो वहाँ वाटर होता है, पर एयर नहीं होती और लाइट नहीं होती, राइट? सो नो, द सीड वुड नॉट बी ग्रोन इनटू अ plant in our stomach, right? So don't worry. Whenever you eat this type of seed, just drink water and deep breathe, okay? You are not going to grow a plant in your stomach. So chill. So these are the worksheet exercises which you have to write down in your worksheet, okay, with very good handwriting. Stay healthy. Take care. Bye everyone.